which are connected to the ventilator. We are developing a scenario here where we are using the splitters to divide the tidal volume to be delivered to the 4 patients. So we can use one ventilator for the 4 patients. There are various things. Then we thought of the Italy, how they manage the patient during the crisis management. We have seen that Italy has divided the ventilation parameters of one ventilator and gave it to the 4 patients.
Realized that in 2006 in that mission doctors have experimented with splitting of ventilator and they were successful. So far we have done the designing, we have done lots of rounds of testing. Now currently we have more than 40 to 50 volunteers working on the splitter project only. We have done the tests and we have seen that they work fine in the ideal situation because we use the test lungs in those. Those test lungs have shown the results better, but look, coming to the patient part, that is a bit tricky in this situation because all patients will have a different lung compliance. It is not the idealistic situation. It's the crisis management where we have a less number of ventilators and we are going to have a rush of patients. But let's hope that we will not reach such disaster. We are preparing beforehand that if that thing happens, we are ready with the split.